What is solar net metering? Solar net metering is a billing mechanism that allows homeowners and businesses with solar panels to feed excess electricity they generate back into the grid. In return, they receive credits on their electricity bills. Essentially, it turns your electric meter into a two-way street. You draw power from the grid when your solar panels aren't producing enough, for example, at night, and you send power back to the grid when your panels produce more than you need, for example, on sunny days. How does solar net metering work? Solar panels generate electricity. When sunlight hits your solar panels, they convert it into electricity. This electricity powers your home or business first. Excess energy is sent to the grid. If your solar panels produce more electricity than you consume, the surplus is fed back into the utility grid. Credits are earned. The utility company tracks the excess energy you contribute and provides you with credits. These credits offset the cost of the electricity you draw from the grid when your solar panels aren't producing enough power. Net billing. At the end of the billing cycle, you only pay for the net energy you've used, the difference between the electricity you've consumed from the grid and the electricity you've supplied to it. Benefits of solar net metering. Cost savings. Net metering allows you to significantly reduce your electricity bills. In some cases, you may even achieve a $0 balance if your solar panels produce enough energy to cover your usage. Environmental impact. By generating clean, renewable energy, you reduce your reliance on fossil fuels, lowering your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier planet. Energy independence. Solar net metering gives you greater control over your energy consumption and costs, reducing your dependence on utility companies. Grid stability. Excess solar energy fed into the grid can help meet peak demand, especially during sunny days, reducing strain on the grid and enhancing its reliability. Financial incentives. Many governments and utilities offer incentives, such as tax credits or rebates, to encourage solar adoption, making net metering even more attractive. Challenges and considerations. While solar net metering offers numerous benefits, there are a few challenges to keep in mind. Policy variability. Net metering policies vary by region and utility company. Some areas offer full retail credit for excess energy, while others provide lower upfront costs. Installing solar panels requires an initial investment, which can be a barrier for some homeowners. However, long-term savings and incentives often offset these costs. Grid limitations. In areas with high solar adoption, the grid may struggle to handle the influx of excess energy, leading to potential policy changes or limitations on net metering. The future of solar net metering. As the world transitions to renewable energy, solar net metering is expected to play a pivotal role. Advances in solar technology, battery storage, and smart grid systems are likely to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of net metering. Additionally, governments and utilities are increasingly recognizing the importance of supporting solar energy adoption through favorable policies and incentives. Conclusion. Solar net metering is more than just a billing mechanism, it's a catalyst for a sustainable energy future. By enabling individuals and businesses to generate their own clean energy and share it with the grid, net metering promotes energy independence, cost savings, and environmental stewardship. As solar technology continues to evolve, net metering will remain a cornerstone of the global shift toward renewable energy. If you're considering going solar, now is the perfect time to explore how net metering can benefit you. Not only will you be investing in your financial future, but you'll also be contributing to a cleaner, greener planet for generations to come. Let me know if you'd like to dive deeper into any specific aspect of solar net metering.